A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of 10th class, we are dealing with the political science chapter, gender, religion and caste. Our today's topic is caste inequalities in India. My dear students, you know there are a number of factors which show that caste inequalities are still continuing in India. In what type of these inequalities are prevailing? Let us discuss them. The first factor, the first point of this caste inequality is endogamy. Endogamy means to marry with one's own caste or group and not too many out of its caste or groups. Even in modern age, people never like to do intercaste marriages, even it is legally sanctioned. You know, endogamy is one of the factors which shows us a type of caste inequality, as we have various these castes, groups, cultures who never want to marry with the other castes, these other cultures. So when this system is still prevailing in India, it is known as endogamy. We have next point is untouchability. It is a concept in which people of lower caste cannot touch the people of higher caste. It has not ended completely despite constitutional prohibition. Untouchability is prevailing from the past and still it is continuing. We have the high caste Hindus who do not touch the low caste Hindus. They can't take the bread out their hands. They can't play with them. They can't venture with them. So this is one of the main inequality in India. Education. The lower caste groups do not have access to education, or they are prohibited from acquiring it, because of which they have naturally lagged behind. The low caste people, the Harijans, untouchables, they have not facility, they are not provide facility to teach their children in high schools, in these modern schools, because of lower income or because of their caste status. So this is one of the factor of inequality. Then we have another factor, that is occupation. People of lower castes still are given their occupation of cleaning and or not allowed to adopt any other occupation, which is inequality on the basis of caste. These lower castes, the jobs for lower castes all different, like they are sweepers, they are latrine cleaners, they are they do these small works which general people do not do. This is a kind of inequality which is prevailing in India. There are few more these types. Dear students, you should learn. You yourself also try to learn in your areas what are other these inequalities which becomes an obstacle in our democratic system. Thank you very much.